Here's a great deal on a 2012 Chevrolet Sonic. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback provides exceptional value. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Both high fuel economy and flexible performance are assured by the 6-speed automatic transmission. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as remote keyless entry, a tachometer, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, heated door mirrors, and a split-folding rear seat. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, OnStar, and ABS brakes. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.